What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. All right, today I have a good one for you. I'm gonna go over the reasons, or my reasons, why you should invest in big name, well-established companies. And if you're going to be, especially if you're going to be investing for the long haul, or even if you're going to be doing swing trading, I recommend big name companies that are well established. And I will give you evidence for why I think that way. All right, so let's look at my account today, my investment in the stock market. The whole market is down today, with the feds doing their thing. It's just right now the market is down. It is a great time to buy because you know that old saying, you buy low and you sell when it's high. So this is a buying opportunity, which I have been still doing the dollar cost average method. That's how I'm investing right now. So as you can see, I have $444.16. I am down today 2.81%. And it went down $12.85. That's my unrealized loss. So which means when I say unrealized, it means that I haven't sold anything. That's just if I were to sell everything, I would lose $12 of what I have invested. So I'm holding on, and I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging. And the market is going to go back up. We're just kind of in a little small moment in time here, but it will go back up. So what I'm going to do is, here's a list of my stocks I'm currently invested in. Let's do this. All right. So when I said invest in big name companies, on this list, these are all big companies. But when I say well established, let's look at Apple. All right. I've already done a video on Apple, and I'm going to talk about it again in this one. So as you can see, Apple is down today 1.85%, like the rest of the market. And normally Apple kind of does whatever the market does on average, is kind of what Apple is doing. Not saying Apple is definitely not bigger than the stock market, but it's very well balanced, meaning it's not gonna go way up and it's not gonna go way down. So let's look at the last year, the performance over the last year. All right. Okay. So Apple saw a 34% jump or increase over the past 12 months. As you can see, it kind of went up and down a little bit. This is the percentage. The actual stock price went up by 36%. So that's a very steady growing trend over a 12-month period. So if you had $1,000 invested in January 12 months ago, today you would have $1,340. That basically is what that means. So, but if you were dollar cost averaging, meaning you were putting in, if you took that $1,000 and put in just like $10 of it at a time, or $15, $20 at a time, you would have seen even more growth and more gains because of compound interest and the effect that would have on your money. So that's what I mean by a well-established big name company. Let's look at another one. All right. So we have Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google. All right. So today they're down 2.88%. So let's look over the past month. Over the past month, Alphabet is up 8.16%. Over the past year, 21.97%. So they're almost right at my level, my threshold level of what I'm going to be dollar cost averaging. So I look at companies that have a minimum growth of 20% over the past year. Alphabet has had 21.97 over the past year. So Google, Alphabet, big name company, very well established. It's the father of the Android devices. So, and many other things. So let's look at, just to give you an idea, go down there, Walmart. Now, Walmart is a big name company, very well established, but they didn't meet my level. Like, they're at 10%, but it is a steady company. So it wouldn't be bad to invest in Walmart. It's just not something I'm going to dollar cost average right now. Let's look at Amazon. Well, hold on. Microsoft. Okay. So Microsoft today, just like many other stocks, it's down 3%, 3.66 over the past year, 19.85%. So it's pretty close. I would accept Microsoft as an option to invest in for the long term, or dollar cost average over the long term. That Amazon today, 3.23% down over the past year. Many people would not believe this. Amazon is down 3.18%, but Amazon has seen phenomenal growth throughout its existence. Look at that. 183,432%. If you had put in $10 in Amazon at its inception when it went public, you would be a multi-millionaire right now. So you get the idea. I mean, I can show you. Of course, Tesla is a big name company. All right, so they're down today 4.17% over the past year. Look at that. Of course, Tesla is a mover and shaker. They're doing big things. They're up 55.86% over the past 12 months. And so you can see their stock price is over $1,000 now. So it came all the way from, I think back in the fall. No, last May, it was at just like $589, $570 something. So if you had put in $1,000, you would have profited or gained over $500 in less than 12 months. So just think if you had 10,000 invested, you would have grown $5,000 not doing anything. That's the power of long-term investing. Now, some people may not even consider it a year long-term, but this is an amazing opportunity if you choose the right companies to invest in. Start off small. And I do need to put this out there. I'm no financial advisor or expert. You should do your due diligence before investing in any company, whether it's stocks or crypto. Invest only what you can afford. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick just my opinion on the types of companies you want to invest in. Now, you can play around with, there are many companies that are doing well. I mean, let's not get it twisted. Shell is up 45% in 1 year. Big name company. Dollar Tree, very well established, big company. They're up now. They're one of the fewer companies today that's up. And they're also up 30% over the past year. So Dollar Tree is a very, very, I'm keeping my eyes on them. I may throw a little bit in that one. All right. So check this out. You like wrestling? WWE. Yes, they're traded. They are publicly traded. They're only, I say only, it's a good thing. They're up 9% for the year. That's not terrible, but they're not at my 20% level for long-term investing. But just giving you and just kind of looking at, Ford Motor Company. Over the past year, they're right there, 20%. Ford is kind of up and down. They're, I personally, I would stay away from day trading Ford, but if you're swing trading or holding it, it's not a bad option at all, guys. So, now Facebook is down. I don't know why it's down that much in 1 year, but I'm pretty sure with all the meta things on the horizon, Facebook is working hard, and they're gonna turn that around. I'm pretty sure. So, with all the technology they've invested in, I feel pretty strongly that they'll turn that around. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. What are your opinions on the types of companies that that I believe in, or the types of company that I think you should look at investing in? Give me your thoughts on that. Okay, have a good one.